Hello, I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man, and following the collapse of the European Superleague, I wanted to speak to Philip Partington, who is a partner at JMW's London office and specialist in intellectual property. In particular, I wanted to speak to Philip about intellectual property issues. I started off by asking Philip, what is a trademark?
Well, a trademark ordinarily is something that allows the consumer of whatever product or service someone is offering to know where that product or service is coming from. So, for instance, JMW, we have a trademark for legal services, and the reason for that is because that's what we do. And we filed that a long time ago, and hopefully most businesses register those trademarks that they operate under, because that gives them strong rights versus what's called the legal default provisions, which is under the law of passing off, which is costly, expensive, time-consuming to bring. If you've got a registered trademark certificate, whether it's in the UK or anywhere around the world, it's a very strong right, which allows you to stop other people from using that same trademark in your neck of the woods, ultimately.
And that brings us nicely then into the European Superleague, which has caused a lot of controversy among fans recently. I'm a rugby league supporter, so I know that the top division in England is the Super League, and actually there's a French team in the Super League as well. There's the Women's Football Super League, which is gaining popularity as well. So the European Super League, how would they be able to register that as a trademark?
Well, there's a few issues to registration. The first one being the Super League is probably descriptive to anyone, any layperson, in terms of what they are going to be doing. They're going to be trying to create the best league. Well, it's very difficult to get a word mark trademark for something that is descriptive. And I think given they are a league and they are arguably going to, or at least they're going to be marketing themselves and probably are the best league out there if it ever takes place, to try to get a word mark as a trademark for the Super League is going to be very difficult for them. So that's the first point in terms of descriptive value. And then secondly, I've had a quick look on the European and UK registers, and there's an awful lot of Super Leagues already. A lot of them are registered as a figurative mark. And indeed, upon my investigation, I found that a law firm in London has registered, a well-known law firm has registered the Super League, but as a figurative mark only on the 16th of April, which I believe was a few days before the announcement and the ensuing publicity that's gone on under this.
Thank you, Philip. And if you'd like the intellectual property team's advice on any intellectual property issues facing your business, you can contact the team via the website jmw.co.uk. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.